We got rain over there, and we've got a sunset over there. Welcome to Florida. Oh, that looks good. Oh boy, oh boy.
Look at that.
That's a lot of ice cream. What are you having for dessert? Welcome to another episode of Dave and Kathy Unplugged. Now, here's the thing. We're down on Marco Island, and imagine if there was a shopping plaza that had 6 restaurants, 2 ice cream shops, a couple of clothing shops, and what else? 2 fountains. And you know, I mean, that would be pretty cool, right? So
this is a hot spot.
It's a hot spot
on Marco Island. It's directly across from the Hilton Hotel.
Yeah, and the Marriott Vacation Club.
And the Marriott, right. And everything within walking distance of our condo and a bunch of other condos and hotels along the way.
Yeah.
So this place is literally making bank.
Yeah, definitely.
Every day, no matter what season.
So what we're going to do in this fun little video is we're going to take you on a quick tour of the 6 restaurants, the 2 ice cream places, maybe a t-shirt shop, and a couple of fountains. So let's get into it.
This is one of our fun places, Nacho Mama's.
Nacho Mama's.
Totally redone. They made this bar area out here nice and big.
Yeah, that's good.
Yep, and outdoor seating under these nice red umbrellas.
Yeah, very nice. Okay, so across the street, that's the
Hilton.
That's the Hilton Hotel here
Resort
on
and Spa.
Resort and Spa here on Marco Island. And then right next to that, there's a JW Marriott here, but this is the Marriott Vacation Club. This is the timeshare club. And literally right across the street are all these restaurants here. And so this is where Pinchers is. And
it's a chain, I think, just down in Florida. I don't
yeah,
know if they're anywhere else.
Right.
But really casual, low-key.
It is. And there's Pinchers in Naples. There's one down on Key West, and then we have one here on Marco Island. All right, so Pinchers, we oftentimes get takeout from Pinchers, Kathy, don't we?
Yeah, we love to do that. We bring it home, we sit out on the balcony, and, we have at it. But it's super casual.
They have good peel.
No need to dress up to go to Pinchers.
Right. They have good peel and eat shrimp. And also the crab ragoon dip. Is that what it's called?
I don't know, but that is good.
That is good. There's like a crab dip that's really good.
Some chips in that crab dip.
Yeah. It's not a super high-end restaurant. Like Kathy said, it is a chain, but it's pretty good. And they've got a lot of great seafood there. Good bar. You can kind of hang out there and and super friendly staff.
Yeah, but if we come over here into the real complex, there's some higher end restaurants and some very nice bars.
Oh yeah, no doubt. All right, there's BB's Ice Cream, some boutique, some real estate. Oh yeah, what's the coolest thing about this Marco Movies place, Kath?
Movies is that you can sit at a table and order dinner and maybe a glass of wine.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really civilized. It's very
it is. And then right behind you there is the Salty Dog.
Yep.
That's like a sports bar. You know, we've never eaten there.
I know we haven't, but a lot of people have, and this has a great reputation over here at this complex.
Yeah, yeah.
We had dinner last night right behind it at Da Vinci's, excellent Italian restaurant.
Right.
Over here with the yellow awnings.
Oh, baby. What do we have here? Oh, hello there. That looks very sweet. All right. So right over here, this is the Salty Dog over here. Okay. And let's see.
Come this way. Da Vinci's has really lovely outdoor seating. We were indoors last night because there was a torrential downpour.
So Da Vinci's, this is Italian, right? Okay.
All right, behind us we have the Marco Prime restaurant. Excellent, probably one of the highest end restaurants here on the island.
Yeah.
We just had our anniversary dinner here.
We did.
36 years, happy anniversary.
Thank you.
honey.
Yeah, it was good. It was very good. So what's interesting is there's one family that owns almost all these restaurants here, and they also own
Doreen's.
They own Doreen's.
Yes.
Oh, and Joey's.
And Joey's, Snook Inn.
And the Snook Inn, man, oh man, that's pretty amazing. They own a lot of restaurants here. So Marco Prime is like a high-end steakhouse that is very good. So
excellent. Make a reservation if you want to come here. Actually, for any of these restaurants, if you're on Marco Island, make a reservation.
Yeah, definitely make a reservation. Yeah. So just to show you around, we've got Marco Prime right behind. We've got the ice cream place right over there, the t-shirt shop there. And then as you go around, you got Nacho Mama's, Oyster Society, you got Da Vinci's, Salty Dog, and then all the way around back behind me, as it's about to pour, we've got Pinchers right over there. All right, right behind you there, pretty nice vintage island clothing shop. They've got...
I may or may not have gotten several things in that little boutique. And this is one of the best ice cream.
Oh, yeah.
Here has fantastic, I want to say cappuccino. No, they have the gelato, and the cappuccino.
Oh, yeah. Look at that right there. So it's definitely a good place to come here no matter what you're in the mood for. But
good food, good times.
So anyway, thanks for watching another episode of Dave and Kathy Unplugged. Kathy, happy anniversary.
Thank you.
Well, that's it. That's a wrap. What do you think? It was a great dinner.
Great dinner. It's a great place.
All right, so this is underground parking underneath all these restaurants. What happens when it rains, though?
Well, as we experienced last night, I had to stop right about here. And then you waddled through water. I think that was past your shin.
Yeah.
So we get flooded down here. When it rains hard.
Yeah, we were actually parked in this almost the same exact spot last night, and my shoes got totally soaked.
I know. Well, mine were too, but but your legs were soaked. I protected my legs.
But it's nice if it's a little drizzly out, you can park underneath here.
It isn't nice when it rains.
No,
Sunshine all the time.
Yeah, that's true.